Good morning to all. This is Sujay Kumar S, faculty member, Department of Commerce, Vijayanagar College, Hospete. So today I am going to explain strategic cost management, the concept of strategic cost management. So before understanding strategic cost management, first we need to understand why cost is playing very important role in each and every organization. Yes, now I will explain. A number of developments have been taking place in the industrial society worldwide. India is not an exception. So, due to introduction of LPG, liberalization, privatization, globalization, it leads to remarkable growth of service sector, increasing dominance of private sector, advances in the area of information technology, continuously increasing degree of automation and mechanization of activities wherever necessary. Yes, increasing number of products and services, it leads increase in competition, business expansion, etc. So these are some of the developments that the company is witnessing in the recent years. So in order to survive and grow in this competitive environment, it is necessary to search for the ways of reducing or managing the cost without compromising on the quality of products and services, and your businessman need to fulfill customer needs and wants. Yes, so that's why cost is very important factor in each and every organization. Yes, so here each and every businessman need to concentrate about cost. Yes, so now I will explain strategic cost management. So before understanding meaning of strategic cost management, first we need to understand cost. Yes, so cost means cost is an expenses incurred for producing products or services. In other way, cost nothing but it is the price paid for something. Yes, it is called as cost. Then coming to now I will explain cost management. Yes, cost management, it is one of the business activities making plans and controlling or managing the cost. In other way, it is the process by which company plan and control the cost of doing business. Yes, so here organization here make the plan and control the cost of doing its business. So here cost management is identifies, collects, measures, classifies and report information to management for determining the cost of product and services. So it helps to the organization or management or businessman for planning, controlling and taking appropriate decision based on this cost information. Yes, here cost management includes two factors, that is cost control and cost reduction. Yes, so each and every organization trying to control cost as well as reducing cost. Next, strategy. Yes, so strategy is a plan of action designed to achieve a particular aim or particular task. Yes, it is called as strategy. Next, the coming to main point, that is strategic cost management. Strategic cost management means it is the process of reducing total cost while improving the strategic position of a firm and reduce cost. So it is a program. Yes, it is a program established by business. It will use in the business in order to regularly identifying and analyzing the cost drivers to lower cost and maximizing the total value. So I will explain cost driver in next video. Yes, so here, so the the main objective, the main purpose of strategic cost management is to reduce cost and maximizing benefit. So here maximizing benefit includes to reduce time for the purpose of to reduce time and to improve the quality of product or services. Yes, so here strategic management helps to the each and every organization for the purpose of to solve various problems, and it will brings transparency to your cost. Yes, so now I will explain the difference between traditional cost management and strategic cost management. Yes, here traditional cost management only concentrate on to reduce cost, but in case of strategic cost management, so it is not only concentrating on to reduce cost, so it also concentrate on to improve the quality, to reduce time, Yes, it is called as strategic cost management. So as you know, nowadays strategic cost management is very important concept or important program to each and every organization. Yes, so for the purpose of survive, for the purpose of to reduce cost, for the purpose of to compete in the market, for the purpose of to provide quality of goods and services, etc. Yes, now I will explain needs for strategic cost management. Yes, so the first point is it is an updated form of the cost analysis. So it helps the company to analyze cost with help of strategic elements. So here strategic elements are more clear, formal, and improve the overall position of the company. Next, coming to second point, it is used to analyze cost information. Yes, so here strategic cost management helps to the organization to analyze cost information. So this cost information helps to the organization to develop various measures to achieve sustainable competitive advantage. Next, third point, it provides a better understanding of overall cost structure. So here strategic cost management helps to the organization to understand overall costs incurred for the purpose of production of goods or services. So here helps to the organization easily to understand the overall cost structure. Next, coming to last point, SCM must be implemented at the initial stages of the production. Yes, of course. So here organization need to adopt strategic cost management initial stages of production. It helps to the organization to reduce cost, as well as it helps to the organization to reduce time, and also it helps to the organization to improve the quality of product or services. Yes, so these are needs of strategic cost management. Next, I will explain steps of strategic cost management. So here organization, while implementing strategic cost management, so here organization need to follow some procedure or some steps. The first one is formulating strategies. So here management or organization need to formulate strategy. Yes, so here organization need to strategy. So it helps to the organization for the purpose of to reduce cost, to improve the quality, as well as to reduce cost, to improve the quality, as well as overall position of the to improve the overall position of the company. Next, after formulating strategy, so second step is communication of strategies in the entire system. So after formulation of strategy, so your organization need to communicate that particular strategy in each and every level of management. Yes, so it includes lower level, middle level. Yes, So here organization need to convey that particular strategy in each and every members, sorry, each and every employees in the organization. So it will benefit to the that particular employees for the purpose of to execute that particular strategy. Next, third step is planning and carry out tactics to execute those strategies. So your organization need to make plan for the purpose of to execute that particular strategies with in a smooth manner. Next, fourth point, developing and implementing controls to track the success. So last step is, so your organization need to develop some standards for the purpose of to control that particular strategy, whether that particular strategy is going in correct way or not. So it helps to the organization to get success. So if that particular strategy is not going to that in correct manner, so your organization can take some measures, some precautionaries for the purpose of to get success. So these are steps of strategic cost management. So now I will explain components of strategic cost management or strategic cost management framework. So there are three components comes under strategic cost management. The first one is core functions, second one is customer delivery function, third one is support function. Yes, so here now I will explain core function. The core function is elaborate on the nature of business. So here it helps, it define the nature of business. So here which type of product is going to produce which type of goods or services is going to produce by the organization. At this stage, the company has to clearly identify courses of action with respect to strategic planning, research and development, and product development. So this is about core function. Next, coming to second element or second component, that is customer delivery function. This step review move on value addition with various activities such as manufacturing, marketing, sales, quality assurance and control, procurement and logistic, engineering and maintaining, customer service and technical support, etc. So these are factors or these are activities or these are functions helps to the organization for the purpose of to produce goods and as well as to supply that particular goods to the customers. Next, third one, support function. Yes, so this is the last component or last element of strategic cost management. As the name suggests, to support the core activities of business, some secondary activities are to be carried down, with includes income tax, finance, accounting, HRM, general administration. These activities will facilitate the performance of the core activities in a way that goals of the business can be accomplished successfully without wasting limited resources. Yes, so these are the three elements of strategic cost management. Now I will explain merits or benefits of strategic cost management. The first thing is, the first merit is it helps to reduction of cost. So the strategic cost management main objective is to reduce cost. Not only reducing cost, to improve the quality and as well as to reduce time. Yes, so automatically decreasing the cost, it will help to the organization for the purpose of it will improve the performance of the organization. So I already explained that, so cost is very important. So cost, if cost is increasing, so automatically performance of the organization will be more. If cost is if the cost is decreasing, the performance of the organization will be more. if the cost is increasing, the performance of the organization will be less. So that's why cost is very important factor. So it will impact on performance of the organization. So here strategic cost management helps to the organization to reduce cost with help of adopting various strategies or various tools and techniques. Next, second merit is it helps to improve the quality. Yes, so here strategic management helps to the organization to maintain quality of goods and services by adopting various strategy or various techniques. Yes, for example, just in time. So just in time is one of the tool and technique of strategic cost management. So just in time nothing but here, so your organization will produce goods and services. So after completion of producing goods and services, they will supply to the customer without storing in any warehouse. Yes, so it is called as just in time. Next, third point, it helps to gain a sustainable competitive advantage. Yes, when company having cost advantage, nothing but when company incurring less cost, automatically company can fix reasonable price when compared to other competitors. Yes, or else your company can fix less price when compared to other competitors. So it will help to the organization to gain sustainable competitive advantage. Next, coming to fourth advantage, it helps to making important business decision. Yes, so here strategic cost management helps to the management to take appropriate decisions. So it helps to the organization to take business decision. For example, here cost information helps to the organization to take production of goods or services. So if increasing cost of product, so your organization can take appropriate strategy to reduce cost. Yes, then expansion of business, then modernization of business, and providing quality of goods and services to the customers, and fulfilling needs and wants of the customers. The final point or last point is it helps to improve profitability. So as you know, when decrease in cost, automatically it will positive impact on performance of the organization. It means when decreasing cost, automatically company can improve its profit. So if increase in profit, automatically it is the positive sign of the organization. Yes, so it will more benefit to the organization. So organization can take appropriate decision, or with help of this positive sign, company can increase market, or for example, when company earning more profit, here company can build confidence among stakeholders. Yes, so stakeholders are very important. So without stakeholders, no business can run. So these are the merits of strategic cost management. Next, now I will explain strategic demerits of strategic cost management. The first demerit is it needs skilled employees or experts. Yes, so while implementing strategic cost management tools and techniques, so here ordinary employees can't implement any strategies. So with help of experts, with help of assistances, or with help of consultants, we need to implement that particular strategy. So it is not a easy task, it is a difficult task to implement strategy. Next, second point, it is time consuming process for developing new strategies. Of course, while implementing any new strategy it will take more time, so automatically it will negative impact on regular business of the organization. Next, last point, it incurred more cost for developing of new strategy. Yes, so it will incur more cost to the organization for the purpose of developing new strategy. So while developing new strategy, here they need to collect some data, so that's why it will incur more cost. So automatically it is negative, automatically it is one of the demerit of the strategic cost management. So this is all about concept of strategic cost management. Today I explained, or today I covered introduction, then meaning of cost, meaning of cost management, then meaning of strategy, then meaning of strategic cost management, and needs of strategic cost management, steps of strategic cost management, and components of strategic cost management, and merits and demerits of strategic cost management. In next video I will share tools and techniques of strategic cost management. Thank you so much.